Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Are you ready to do a fun activity along with us? By the end of this video, we guarantee you that you will learn one of the concepts in mathematics. Materials required for this activity are 2 pages from a notebook, broomstick, glue of any type, a protractor. If you have all these materials ready, let's begin. Tear 2 pages from any notebook. Take a scale and cut the paper to 15 cm horizontally and vertically to make a square. You should have 2 square papers. Take one of the square paper and fold them as shown. Repeat the same with other square paper. Fold the papers in half. Your folding would look like this. Paste the ends using glue. The paper would look like this. Stick 2 pieces of folder paper together like this. Your papers would look like this. Stick brooms on the end of the folder paper as shown. Your material would look like this. If the paper doesn't look like this, don't worry. You can repeat from step 1. With the material prepared, let's measure objects to determine different angles. Here we have book, it is 90 degree, making it right angle. Here we have scissors. It is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, making it an obtuse angle. Here we have nose plier. It is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, making it a reflex angle. Here we have sellotape. It is exactly 360 degree, making it a complete angle. Here we have clip. It is less than 90 degree, making it an acute angle. Last but not the least, here we have scale. It is 180 degree, making it a straight angle. With these examples shown, we hope you have understood the different types of angles. Look at the images given on the screen. Use the material you made to measure and guess the types of angles. Pause the video to measure. Do this exercise with random objects you see to determine what angle they belong to. Thank you for watching. This is TAN90 signing off.